Welcome to Alerts, AlphaLens's real-time notification system for tracking market conditions and trading ideas. Alerts keep you informed by monitoring price movements, indicators, and strategy signals, so you never miss an opportunity. Alerts are created based on conditions tied to specific instruments. You can set an alert to notify you when a stock's last price, absolute change, or percent change in price moves above or below a defined value. Select an indicator, define the condition, and choose your trigger value. For example, click on the current stock price to quickly populate your trigger value, then fine-tune it using the toggles or by entering a value manually. You can also add optional notes to help organize your alerts. Alerts support multiple notification types, including toast pop-ups and sound alerts, so you can customize how you're notified. Each alert can be enabled or disabled at any time, and you can sort or reorder alerts by symbol, indicator, date created, or other attributes to match your workflow. You can also create alerts based on trading ideas. These alerts trigger when an idea signal enters or exits, helping you stay aligned with your strategies in real time. All alerts stay up to date automatically, ensuring your view reflects the latest data. Once created, they save automatically and will continue running whether the widget is open or not. At any time, you can pause individual alerts or use the global control to suppress all notifications. Additionally, alerts can be accessed within a separate widget tab or on the dedicated alerts page. With alerts, AlphaLens gives you a powerful and flexible way to stay informed and react instantly to changing market conditions.